The storm has grounded more than 6,000 flights, including some here in Jacksonville. Channel 4's Francesca Amiker is following the abbreviated comings and goings at the airport. She's joining us live with an update. Francesca?
That's right, Tom. Plenty of people at this airport right now are picking up plenty of these because they have a long wait. There are several delays here from Detroit all the way to LaGuardia. You can see that people are just kind of camping out, waiting for their loved ones. But I also want to focus your attention on some of the flights that have already been canceled. Yesterday when we were here, we didn't see too much red on the screen, but go ahead and check that out. You can see 4 cancellations that you're looking at right here now from arrivals. New York at JFK, Washington, Reagan, and Denver. I spoke to some people tonight who don't mind the snow.
I was coming from Philadelphia. I missed everything. Everyone's mad at me, but last I heard, all grocery stores are like out of bread and milk, you know, usual preparation stuff that we do.
Alicia Totten decided to opt out of Snowmageddon for a week by coming to Jacksonville to visit her family. Fortunately, her flight from Philadelphia was not canceled, but on Friday, dozens of flights arriving and departing from Jacksonville International Airport were canceled. And more than 6,000 flights are now expected to be canceled over the weekend, 5,000 more delayed. Here at Jacksonville International Airport, flights to New York, Michigan, Colorado, Maryland, and North Carolina have also been canceled for the night. The Weather Prediction Center estimates more than 2 feet for Washington, a foot to 18 inches for Philadelphia, and 8 inches to a foot in New York. Though those numbers may sound crippling, many cities have an emergency operations team working overtime to make sure the city is prepared for emergencies. But this Philadelphia native is confident that her city will be fine.
It messes up with people like getting to work. A lot of people commute in and out of Philadelphia for work, take the trains, that kind of stuff. So once it starts to snow a little bit, the trains tend to shut down and then people can't get to work. And everyone just gets angry, but we're used to it at the same time, so it only lasts like so long.
And you feel like the city of Philadelphia is prepared for something like that?
Yeah, I mean, last I heard they were prepping like extra snow plows and all that kind of stuff. I heard something about like pairing people up with elderly and disabled neighbors to like help them shovel.
And another flight that was set to come here tonight was actually Grand Rapids, Michigan. That flight has been canceled. But again, for more cancellations, because we're hearing that there are going to be thousands of flights that have already been canceled on Saturday. You're going to want to head on over to flightaware.com, and that'll give you the latest update on your flight or the flight for your loved one. I'm live at JAX, Francesca Amiker, Channel 4, the local station.